BJP and the INDI. The push for reform seems to have taken a racist spin. Yesterday, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma announced that the Assembly has decided to nix the 2-hour Jummah break for the Muslim MLAs. This, he said, was to ensure more productivity. But INDI called it polarizing. But now RJD's Tejasvi Yadav seems to have taken a leaf out of Sam Pitroda's book. Giving a completely different spin, he lashes out at Himanta for being a Chinese version of Yogi. Yes, you heard that right. Tejasvi Yadav in a tweet has said, for cheap popularity, Himanta's become the Chinese version of Yogi. He's deliberately keeping on doing these acts that harass the Muslims. BJP has made Muslims soft targets to spread nafrat and polarize. And after this criticism that has come in, the Chief Minister of Assam also hit back. He took a veiled jibe at Tejasvi. He says that even Bihar Assembly does not have a 2-hour Jummah break, so they should think before criticizing him.
हिंदू मुसलमान सारा विधायक ने मीटिंग में बैठा, स्पीकर साहब को अधिकृत किया, फिर स्पीकर साहब ने विधानसभा में ये बोले कि भाई आज से हम ये नहीं करूंगा। इसमें कॉलोनियल लीगेसी था, 1937 था। ऐसा व्यवस्था झारखंड में भी नहीं है, बिहार में भी नहीं है। तेजस्वी यादव जी मुझको क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं, लेकिन बिहार में क्या ऐसा व्यवस्था है? आप करवा लीजिए 7 घंटा का ब्रेक। तो जब तेजस्वी यादव जी बिहार में उप मुख्यमंत्री था, उनको जुम्मा में 4 घंटा का दे देना चाहिए था। भाई आप फॉलो नहीं करेगा और आपको लगता है कि आप हमें परामर्श देगा, ऐसे तो दुनिया नहीं समझेगा।
After Tejasvi called CM Himanta Biswa Sarma Chinese version of Yogi, the BJP has lashed out at the Congress and its allies for the racist mindset. They ask, is this मोहब्बत की दुकान?
वैसे तो इंडिया अलायंस उदारवाद, संविधान बचाओ, सबके न्याय, सबके हक की बात करती है, पर बार बार इंडिया अलायंस किस प्रकार से नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लोगों का अपमान करती है। क्या ये संविधान बचाओ है? क्या ये मोहब्बत की दुकान है, या ये नफरत का सामान और अपमान की पहचान है? जिस प्रकार से तेजस्वी यादव ने असम के चुने हुए लोकप्रिय मुख्यमंत्री हेमंत बिस्वा शर्मा जी को चाइनीज वर्जन कहा है, योगी जी का चाइनीज वर्जन है, क्योंकि वो असम से आते हैं, तो आपने उनको चाइनीज कह दिया। क्या तेजस्वी यादव में सैम पित्रोदा की आत्मा घुस गई है?
So he considers Yogi Adityanath as an Indian version. That's great news. Thanks to Tejasvi Yadav. But who is Tejasvi Yadav? He's not even a leader. He's a father-promoted son who does not have an average intellect of an Indian. Currently our literacy rate goes to 71%. He accidentally happens to fall into that because he can sign as Tejasvi Yadav. Otherwise he's only 9th fail. So he should speak what his brain allows him to. Otherwise, he shouldn't speak like that.
However, Tejasvi's alliance partners have come to his defense.
मोदी के उस हिंदुस्तान के साथ जंग लड़ रहे हैं जो मुसलमानों के साथ इस वक्त जंग लड़ रहा है, जो मुसलमानों का वजूद छीनना चाहता है, जो मुसलमानों का मजहब छीनना चाहता है। ये लड़ाई हमारी अकेले की नहीं है, ये लड़ाई मुसलमानों की नहीं है, ये लड़ाई उतनी ही राहुल गांधी की भी होनी चाहिए।
There are certain customs and practices that have been followed in different parts of the country. I think we shouldn't try and tinker them. We should leave it as it is. But the problem with the Assam government and the Chief Minister is, I don't think the government has done anything there to prove his loyalty to his leaders in the new party. He is going a step ahead than the Sangh Parivar Karyakartas to prove his loyalty to the leaders. That is what is happening there.
Now, remember earlier Sam Pitroda, the Congress leader and a close aide of Rahul Gandhi, had been panned for racist remarks. He said that people from East look like Chinese, those from West look like Arabs, North Indians like white people, while South Indians look like Africans. Let's remind you where Tejasvi may be getting his inspiration from.
We could hold country together as diverse as India, where people on East look like Chinese, people on West look like Arab, people on North look like, maybe white, and people in South look like Africa.
Let's open this up and go across to our guests. We're joined by Anila Singh, spokesperson of the BJP. We have Dr. Nikul Patel, leader Congress, and Kanchana Yadav, spokesperson of the RJD. Good evening to all of you. Kanchana Yadav जी, आपसे शुरुआत में करना चाहूंगी, ये किस तरह का कमेंट है कि वो चाइनीज वर्जन है योगी के? नॉर्थ ईस्ट और असम क्या चाइना में आता है?
See, Swati, this is your interpretation and BJP's interpretation, first of all. And second is that there is a common belief around the world, there is a common perception around the world that Chinese products are cheaper and they don't have a guarantee. And that's what Tejaswi ji said. He said that Himanta Biswa Sarma is playing like a cheaper version of Yogi Adityanath. He said that Himanta Biswa Sarma playing like a Chinese version. The Chinese version means the cheaper version.
Okay, and the fact that he's from Assam is just a coincidence.
Ma'am, 1 second. Let me finish first. 1 second. He didn't say that Himanta Biswa Sarma looks like a Chinese person. He didn't say Himanta Biswa Sarma appear like a Chinese person or his face appear like Chinese person. So how did it become?
That's what I'm asking you. The fact that he's from Assam and Northeast, are you saying that just a coincidence?
No. It's created by the Bharatiya Janata Party. I think media also, because he didn't say that he appear like a Chinese person. Sorry,
well, media is just asking you questions, ma'am. Media is just asking you questions and presenting both versions of what the RJD is saying and what the BJP is saying. Let Anila Singh respond. Anila Singh, this is your interpretation. According to Kanchana Yadav, he never said that Himanta Biswa Sarma looks like a Chinese person. He said he's a Chinese version of Yogi.
Ram Ram to all, and it happens, when a leader is not very well educated, so he doesn't know how to frame his statements. This is what Tejaswi Yadav has done, according to RJD spokesperson sitting on your channel, in our panel. I just have to say one thing. Years together, decades together, people living in Northeast, they have been ridiculed by comparing them with the Chinese people. They have been ridiculed. In 10 years' time, Narendra Modi ji tried his level best to bring Northeast area in with the rest of the India so that the development, culture exchange, and so many other development activities can merge together. And it should, and it is the part of India that should be reflected in the words and the personalities of the nation, of the people of our nation. But the reality is Tejaswi Yadav doesn't understand that if any leader talks about Hindus, it doesn't mean that he is the photocopy of Narendra Modi ji or Yogi Adityanath ji. The reality is our nation has been suffering from this disease of appeasement. And this is what India Alliance keeps on doing. This is what Tejaswi Yadav or Rahul Gandhi or any other XYZ political party who are deep into appeasement, they do it. If we talk about Mr. Tejaswi Yadav, I have to ask him, does it happen there in your state?
Okay.
2 hours break? No. So why you are pointing finger towards Hemant Biswa Sarma? He is a popular leader.
Okay.
He's a very popular
So is
chief
this,
minister.
according to you, is being targeted because of the reforms, or is this, according to you, just a racist comment?
It is a racist comment, and it is being filled by showing that whatever he is doing, it is going against the taste of the Muslim community.
Okay, let me bring in the Congress leader, Dr. Patel. What are your views?
See, if you see how the Yogi way of working, we have rightly seen in Uttar Pradesh, how bulldozer Rajniti worked. Then we have seen how in the Kawad Yatra, he brought some rule and then Supreme Court come into picture and it was abolished. So now it's a turn of Hemanta Biswa Sarma. We have seen how he is behaving into the assembly itself by speaking the derogatory words against a particular community, and he wants to prove that he is pro-Hindu leader and wants to establish that I am very keen at believing that we are good. Now, if you see, what I would like to understand, Hemanta Biswa Sarma had taken oath by our constitution or by some other rule book where they want to just say, they want to just make an appeasement of larger majority vote bank politics. I think Bharatiya Janata Party.
Okay, but Dr. Patel, I have two questions. One, is there a separate time allotted for people of other religions to also offer prayer? If not, is that not a discrimination against them? Number two,
that is not an issue.
Is there such a provision in other state assemblies? 2 questions, please respond to the point.
I would like to quote Gujarat government, Madhav C. Solanki government decision regarding Shravan Somvar. People can come to the Sachivalaya at 12 p.m. so that they can offer prayers to Shiva. Now, over here, there was something, but present government, even in Bharatiya Janata Party, had not continued that rule. Why they are not pro-Hindu? Now Hemanta Biswa Sarma wants to put some rule. Then it is his own.
Okay, Anila Singh, such provisions have been
We are
made.
not against
Such
that.
provisions have been made against other.
See, we are
One
not against
second.
it. He is telling on the floor.
One
of
second.
Parliament,
Such provisions
floor
have
of
been made for
Listen,
other
listen,
communities
listen,
as
listen.
well. So
See, we are not- see, what is-
take a response,
what is
Dr. Patel. Dr. Patel, take a response. It's Anila Singh's turn to respond to you. Anila Singh.
Swati, if any ruling government thinks that no, it is not going according to the governance which they want to deliver, they can very well take it back. Hemant Biswa Sharma
That's
ji
fine.
he
That we
thinks
don't have a
that it
problem
is
with
not going according to his governance. He has taken back this rule of 2 hours break. So what is the problem then? And Mr. Patel, do not try to teach or preach that what Bharatiya Janata Party has done or not. Let me tell you, here if I talk about Mr. Narendra Modi ji, all right, he has gone a step ahead than your political party. Your political party has always taken advantage of the minority living in our nation.
Okay.
We don't take advantage of any community here.
Okay, but the
But
allegation
let
is
the-
that
let the-
the allegation against you is that you have made special provisions for the Hindu community or appeasing the Hindu community. Okay, Dr. Patel, once again, relax. There are others also on the panel. Let me bring in Kanchana Yadav. Kanchana Yadav, please respond to what Anila Singh asked earlier, whether there's such a provision in Bihar Assembly 1. 2, Hemanta Biswa Sarma is being targeted because of the decisions he is taking that the BJP and both the Chief Minister of Assam has called are reforms.
Swati, Hemanta Biswa Sarma, indeed, namaz are in the assembly, just citing a bogus excuse that it will enhance the productivity of the assembly. Sir, ma'am, if you want to enhance the productivity of the assembly, please increase the number of days assembly meets. And please, call for the assembly throughout the year, first. And second, I just saw news on your television, Swati, that in Haryana, election date changed due to some festival, Hindu festival is like there. So if, on the people-wise, the Haryana election can change. No, so why can't, there is namaz are in the assembly.
Has the election
That
commission
means
not
one
has the
on
election
purpose.
commission not made such exceptions in other situations?
No, sir. If you are making a statement that it will enhance the productivity, then why just Lok Sabha ended before its time? Abhi Lok Sabha.
अच्छा, productivity बढ़ानी है अनिला सिंह जी, productivity बढ़ानी है तो number of days आप बढ़ा दीजिए session के. That's how you can increase productivity instead of cancelling namaz.
I am not at all surprised what spokesperson from RJD has said. कहते जैसा राजा वैसी प्रजा. अब इन्होंने कहा अरे पूरे साल असेंबली चलने दीजिए, आपकी जेब से पैसा जाता है, ये तेजस्वी यादव जी देंगे पैसा. ये हार्ड अर्न टैक्स पेयर्स मनी होता है. टैक्स पेयर्स के पैसे से पार्लियामेंट और असेंबली चलती है मैडम, किसी की जेब से नहीं चलती है. So how can you say the number of days allotted to run any assembly or the parliament, they are sufficient if MLAs or the MPs, they want to debate, they want to discuss, they want to
Okay, one by one. Kanchana ji, hear her out. I'll come back to you. Hear her out. सुन लीजिए ना जी.
So whatever she has said, this reflects that what type of leadership RJD has.
Okay, Kanchana, your turn. Okay, Kanchana Yadav wants to rebut.
She said my leader is uneducated. My leader is uneducated.
Let Kanchana rebut now, ma'am, please. Anila Singh ji, please. Let her respond. Kanchana Yadav.
एक एजुकेटेड लीडर मुजरा बोलते हैं इलेक्शन में, टोटी खोल कर लेकर जाएंगे, भैंस छोड़कर ले जाएंगे, ये सब एजुकेटेड लीडर बोलते हैं. सो कॉल्ड एजुकेटेड लीडर प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी इनके लीडर बोलते हैं और हमारे लीडर अनएजुकेटेड हैं. एंड सेकंड, मैडम, अगर टैक्स पेयर के पैसे पर मोदी इतनी रैलियां कर सकते हैं और आप प्रोडक्टिविटी का हवाला दे रही है ना, तो टेल में आपने लोकसभा को पहले क्यों खत्म किया टाइम के पहले? You wanted to increase the productivity, so why you ended the Lok Sabha just before its time? क्यों आपने खत्म किया? आंसर दीजिए. आप लोकसभा में आपको प्रोडक्टिविटी नहीं चाहिए थी. That seems that you are.
Okay, there are other ways. There are other ways to increase productivity. Anila Singh, please respond.
I just have to say one thing. Next time, whenever Parliament runs, ma'am, please, you should see and watch it and follow it in a very proper manner. Then you will be able to answer, or you'll be able to debate in better way. and what type of disruption opposition does. Of course, ma'am, please do not get irritated. I know it very well. जैसा राजा वैसी प्रजा, आपकी गलती नहीं है, आपकी गलती नहीं है, ठीक है ना? जैसे जो तेजस्वी यादव जी बोलेंगे, जिन्होंने लगातार नॉर्थ ईस्ट को छोटा दिखाने की कोशिश करी, कांग्रेस उनके साथ पल्लू बांधे हुए खड़ी हुई है, बिकॉज कांग्रेस की कोई अहमियत नहीं है बिहार में बिना आरजेडी के. They did not utter a single word. The way India Alliance, the way Tejasvi Yadav has insulted Northeast by pointing finger towards Hemant Biswa Sharma ji.
Okay.
This shows that you have got such a rotten thought process, not only for the Hindus, but especially for the Northeast.
Okay, Dr. Patel. Dr. Patel wants to come in.
See, Miss Anila, whatever perceptions she taken of RJD spokesperson, I think she told that if you want to increase the productivity, you can increase the number of days. But she told that it will be on the exchequer, that is people of the country. Similarly, the statement of whatever Tejasvi Yadav regarding the Chinese, what that is about the quality of the product that, or with the second part of the tag. So I don't
but
understand they want to believe it.
Dr. Patel,
I
Hemanta
don't want to
Biswa
believe it.
Sharma
And
in
we are
the
targeting
latest
Hemanta-
reaction, one is
Hemanta
asking
Biswa Sharma
if
is
you
saying that the
if
law
you
and
have
order
such
is
provisions
not good
in
the
Bihar
state.
Assembly,
Law
he is
and
also
order
saying
conditions
that all
not
his
good.
MLAs are
Very
on board.
happening.
He's
Then
not
why
saying
is not
he's saying
doing
it's not the decision of a chief minister, it's the decision of the government. All my MLAs are on board. They are with me. We all discussed that this is perhaps a way to increase productivity. We all agree.
There cannot be two ways of thinking, right? There can be not be two. If something is not good in the state, then Hemanta Biswa Sharma should resign. He was also resigned. Rape is happening. He's telling that people from the south Assam cannot go to the north Assam. He's telling that Mia Muslim.
Okay, one second. Don't mix up issues. Don't mix up issues at the moment. Can you please respond to? Can you please respond to the point that I made?
So if a chief minister is telling
Hemanta
like
Biswa
this,
Sharma is
then
saying.
he must resign
Hemanta
from the
Biswa Sharma is saying. I
post.
discussed it with all the MLAs. We are all on board. He says we are on board. The MLAs are on board.
Arey, MLA are on board, but he is taking the decision, chief minister. If he is not able to make the law and order into the state,
Is
then
that
he must
possible?
resign.
Can the chief minister take decisions without taking his MLAs on board? Have we not seen in the past what happens in that case?
Definitely, if you are into the Vidhan Sabha, you have to take consensus of all, but ultimately the chief minister is responsible. Similarly, how Bharatiya Janata Party is claiming that if anything is happening good, then Narendra Modi is only responsible. If anything is happening bad, then Narendra Modi is not responsible.
Okay,
This is not
all
the way
right.
to
So the
compare the two things.
RJD says what Tejasvi Yadav said about Hemanta Biswa Sharma is not a racist comment. What he said was he is a Chinese version of Yogi. They never spoke about his appearance or how he looks. BJP, on the other hand, says he's being targeted. These racist comments are being taken on him. These digs are being taken on him because he's introducing some reforms in the state. Thank you very much for joining us on the broadcast. Thank you to Anila Singh, to Kanchana Yadav and Dr. Patel.